What are we doing today, Dylan?
We need the grain cleaner. We need it now.
And then Gene needs it now back.
It's like the Zequel from last season's episode.
And then he needs it back right away.
Ah. Of course he does.
He's cleaning out this week.
And you're cleaning stuff too.
I got a button.
You got a button. What's that do when I press it?
It's windy. Why did you pick the windiest day? Hey, I got a speed tractor button.
Oh. Button.
What's Murphy up to today?
He's running around.
What's got on his back already?
I don't know. Whatever he discovered on the farm already.
Should we check oil or we just get into it?
We should probably, honestly, at least look at it.
Yep, there's oil there.
Okay, now let's go.
Ow! What have you been doing in the last 3 weeks?
Sleeping.
Sleeping.
Working. And sleeping.
Who needs to work?
Me.
Well, I opened the hood, the grill might fall off.
Yeah, but this pickup, we've learned that just because it says oil pressure does not mean there's actually oil in it.
That's just true. Oh, we got all kinds of oil. It's just barely above the add mark. We're good.
Oh.
Because it doesn't. What kind of comes off the sticker?
It's okay. We got all the K&N power.
It's at the add mark. It's fine.
What color is it?
Dinosaur.
Murph! And Ivan's like, John bought tractors.
Yeah.
I must show everybody.
Oh, Murphy's got his jewelry back on again.
Yep. Hey, the grill didn't fall out.
Oh! That looks like enough here.
Adequate amount.
You gotta make room for Murphy.
Murphy, make room. Where are we going, Murph? Where are we going? Which way did he go, George? Which way did he go? And after not running a pickup for months and months, let's go straight to trailer.
Yep. Seems like the thing to do.
Yep.
And I'd want to unhook it. Right, Furby?
Looks like you guys are crazy. You've all lost it. Looks like you need help. Let me just...
I swear if you look in my ear, Murph, that's where I draw the line.
Oh. Are you near? Stay. Oh. Ooh, not bad. But you gotta go that way. And just a little short drive. We're at Farmer Jean's. There is a notable smell of burning grease coming from the front of the engine bay. What's all in the way?
If it fits through here, nothing. If it don't fit through there, the tractor and baler.
Great.
And the baler might be in the way just to even get it out of here.
Great. Which means to get that tractor out of the way, we have to get that one out of the way. And then we got to hook to the baler and pull that ahead. Oh. Muffler's a little loose. Murph!
What?
Murph!
Truck's a long time.
Who knows the last time to start? His shed's on fire. Wow, that's not gonna pick up on camera, but just trust us when I say, oh, smoky in here. Well, maybe it kind of picks up on camera a little bit. That was one upset tractor.
Didn't pick up for a while. I was chugging pretty hard for a while.
Here he comes. The Oliver's just giving it all she's got. I did not know. Yep.
Murphy's not in line.
No.
Murphy's eating grass there.
Great. It's a beautiful 70-degree day here in North Dakota. Get out of here, Murph. if you're getting ready to clean grain or pump the sewer. I'm lost.
Cool. It would have been nice when I told him to move his steam pumps if you would have cleaned the shit out of them.
Stop! Hold that thought. You got a tire poker out front here.
I can pick up and jump.
And you got the stop blocks there too, in case you go too far.
Stop you.
I've seen those before.
They're Pioneer ones.
No, Pioneers are still around ones though. nice and quiet those things are, aren't they? Ish.
That was the easy part, though.
The tractor doesn't sound all that bad.
But you know how much work we got to do to get the wagon that this needs to go into? Oh,
It's in the shed, isn't it?
3 tractors and a Ranger.
Well, a few of them are fairly simple. The one tractor was running this year. The Ranger we know should start. The 400, as long as the battery's good, that should start.
I've had that running already. Then we got the old D.
The old 28D, oh boy. Here's where the Shenanigans and farmyard Shenanigans comes into play, doesn't it? We're halfway there. Oh, there seems to be your problem right there. There ain't no air in it.
There's a little air.
So where's the excitement in that?
What?
Of having new stuff that always works and never breaks down.
It breaks down just as bad.
Crickety clackety. Rickety rackety. Jewelry.
That's what I was looking for when I was putting this one together.
Which is what?
An auxiliary gas tank.
Ah. A side screen. Front screen.
Nice original. They'll either go on this one or go on in your place.
Ah.
Isn't it nice? Pretty.
Party.
Oh. Now we need this. We're gonna have all the tractors today.
Yeah. This one, that one's been started. All Ebers, Criminies. I don't have the wagon out of the shed yet.
Huh?
We don't even have the wagon out of the shed yet.
We're gonna start doing
Uh,
international. We could just leave it in the shed, wasn't it?
that's all you asked it to do was start, right? Murph!
Okay, I'm gonna go get the auger. Run this.
tractors, all the tractors are doing things, stuff. I swear this thing got louder over winter. Don't come a knocking. Tell me we fiddle fucked around for 4 hours for 15 minutes of cleaning?
Yes. Yeah, yes we did.
Fucking A, farming's fun.
Yes, yes we did. And used
1,
4
2,
tractors.
3, 4.
And a Ranger.
They did have to move a couple other tractors. For 15 minutes of cleaning!
Yep.
It'll be fun, they said. I mean, at least we didn't have to run to town 3 times like your dad.
He still ain't back from the last trip.
So what you folks saw there was a grain cleaner, for those of you who may or may not know what they are.
Is that what this is?
I
didn't
that's
know
what this little conglomeration is. It says quick clean grain cleaner on the back eyes.
It's your dad though.
Like John said earlier, he has a tub over here of stuff that was cleaned out of it. And you said, what, there's a couple different seeds in there or something?
Yeah, wheat seed, kosher seed, broken kernels, small kernels.
Or this like cleans all that out so you get a good clean wheat seed.
Doesn't clean the big stuff up, that cleans the little stuff up.
Now the wagon, 60 I think wagon, 60 wagon has to go back in.
That wagon's got to go back in.
Yep.
I won't need that wagon until I go get soybean seed.
Yeah.
We need more wagons.
Well, we got the tractors for it. When we do the soybean ones, instead of using these little guys, I say we throw as many big tractors on it as we can just to do something different.
Yeah,
this wagon here is going to be hooked to the 50-20 with the duals. The other, we're going to put that V8 one on the corn back, or on the grain back, just so we can really blow our eardrums out.
No, I buy that. I just take it to the seed plant and they just put it in the wagon.
Oh.
I send Dad with the pickup with that.
Well.
That is a substantially larger wagon than this one, because this one was 3/4 full.
How do you gauge that? Just from using it before for last year and knowing what you're going to
That,
actually
how
do?
much there was seed left in there from last year.
Oh.
So there should be enough,
Gotcha.
I hope. If not, Murphy's coming back. I'm doing it again.
For 4 hours for 15 minutes of cleaning. Murph! X-nay on the eating of the weird shit snay.
Just a kosher plant, wormwood plant. Hey, there's a blue towel in here, dog.
Is it clean?
Wow.
Pretty sure it fell back in there. No, it didn't. Murph! Your yard will grow in nicely.
You can't get grass to grow, but you can get wheat to grow. I don't want to get out. Now we need bobcat.
Why do we need that?
Push this in.
Oh yeah, fuck, we're not backing that up.
I didn't know if you wanted to see how good my backing's still or not. Oh, Ivan's back.
Oh boy, Evan's back.
I'm hungry. I'm real hungry.
I'd eat. What seems to be the problem? Just stop now before you start creating new words.
Ah! What?
Should we end this or what?
I don't know. What does Murphy think?
No, he's like, I'm gonna eat this grass.
Grass.
I'm gonna fill up later.
Bye, Murphy. Hello.
Farmyard Shenanigans. Brought to you by Green Cleaning. Spring's planting.
Not planting.
Let me see.
Not with the forecast.
Rain.
Not with all rain.
The weather was coming early. It go rain. But we did have a couple of the old tractor dumps for some. Oh yeah, because we had the 430 on the grain back. We had the one wagon, then we had the 16 in the wagon, then we had the 400 on the auger.
60 carburetors in the house.
Gee. Too many, I can't keep track. Regardless, the Ranger even had to do something today besides scram us around. What Ranger? The Polaris Ranger. Whoever is nice man left it here. The Banks Ranger is here.
Yeah.
Park Ranger.
Park Ranger?
So a little bit of cleaning. You're not using that anymore, are you?
What thing?
Clean eventually.
What lunch first?
Oh, yeah.
You never know what could happen there. I might show up and have to work for 3 hours. With no lunch.
You've been there before, haven't you?
I've been there before.
Anyway, folks, thanks for hanging out, watching. Those of you may know what we were up to. Those of you, this might be the first time you've seen someone cleaning grain like that. But thanks for watching and hanging out with us. We'll catch you